Learn English with Jennifer. Lesson 58. Telling Time. Natasha, do you wear a watch?
I don't have a watch.
I don't have a watch either.
Yes.
To tell time, I look at my cell phone. I see it's 9:48. Do you look at your cell phone?
No, I look around.
You look around. Do
Yes.
you have clocks in every room?
No, yes.
Oh, you do. So you look at the clock. I look at my cell phone. When I work at the computer, I look at the clock on the computer a lot. Okay. So we now are going to practice telling time. Okay. When you want to know the time, what's the question?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it? And of course, if you ask a stranger, you would say, "Excuse me, what time is it?" Okay. What time is it? All right, well, let's start with easy times. If I write like this,
It's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, and if we write it, we say 9 o'clock.
Yes. It's 9 a.m.
Aha, good. Okay, it's 9 o'clock, and right now it's morning.
Yes.
So we can say it's 9 a.m. because a.m. means in the morning. What if I change it to p.m.? What does that mean?
Noon at evening.
Evening. So if it's 9 p.m.,
Yes.
it's evening.
Evening.
If it's 9 a.m.,
Morning.
it's morning. Very good. So right now you could say it's 9 o'clock. It's around 9 o'clock. Very good. Let's change this. So it's 9 o'clock. What if I write? What time is it?
It's 9:15.
Very good. So the easiest way, to answer the question is 9:15. But do you know another way?
Quarter past 9.
Good.
Past
So you say past, sometimes people say after.
after.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay? So the easiest answer, 9:15. It's 9:15. But you can also say it's 9:15, or it's 9:15. Past 9. So if you look at the clock, for this first half, we use past and after. Okay? So let's change this to, if I change it to this, what time is it?
9:25.
It's 9:25, or 25.
25 past 9.
25 Right, so that's different ways that you can answer. I could say it's 9:10, or
10 past
10
9.
past 9,
Yes.
10 after 9. Very good. Let's change this to,
It's 9:30.
good, 9:30. 9:30.
9:30.
But do we say 30 past? No.
Half past.
Very good, because it's half the clock.
Yes, half past.
We say half past 9.
Half with half. Half
Half past 9.
Yes.
With half past 9, we do not say after, right? It's half past 9.
Yes.
It's 9:30. Very good. Since we're still talking about this half, let's change this to, how would you read this?
9
What time is it?
It's 9 on.
What do Americans say? Do you know? 9.
Oh. Oh.
We don't say
No,
hours.
no.
Oh.
Yeah,
9:08.
Off 8. Off. On. Off.
It's 9:08.
Or 8.
9:08.
Yes, it's on.
9:08. So when we don't rarely write this, we say it's 9:08 or it's 8 after.
Around 9.
You can say it's
It's around.
a little after 9. It's a little after, or it's 9:08. It's 9:08. Okay, good. Now then,
Сложно.
yes, a little bit. Let's talk about this half. Okay, so instead of 9:15, I'll write this. What time is it?
It's 9:45.
Good.
Do you understand these words? We use past for the first half of the clock. For example, 9:15 is also 9:15 or 9:15. We use to for the second half of the clock. For example, 9:45 is also 9:45 or 9:45.
And of course, there are two important times you cannot confuse. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. But if I say p.m. or a.m., it's different.
Yes.
What time is this?
It's at noon.
Very good. We call this noon. It's noon. And it's
Midnight.
midnight when you're sleeping, I hope. Midnight. What time is it? It's noon. It's midnight. Very good. Let's try with a clock. This is not my clock. Is this your clock? Whose clock is this?
It's my son's clock.
Okay. Can we use it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I have to find how to turn. Okay, so you know this shows seconds. Seconds,
second.
minutes, hours.
Oh.
Okay, so let me play the What time is it?
10 o'clock?
10 o'clock.
Yes.
What time is it?
10:15.
Very good. What time is it?
10:30.
10:30 or
30.
10 past or
Half
past 10. Very
Half
good.
past 10.
What time is it?
10:45.
10:45 or
45.
quarter.
Or quarter 9.
Quarter to.
To 9.
Well, no. If it's 10:45, it's quarter to 11, right? Because it's
Yes,
going on
11.
11. So let's try this. Now it's 11 o'clock.
11.
What time is it now?
11:05.
Very good. 11:05. 5 after. What time is it?
20.
20. 11:20. What time is it?
11, half past.
It's either 11:30 or half past 11. Say it again.
11:30
Or
11, half past 11.
half past 11.
Half in French.
Okay,
Sorry,
so it's okay.
sorry.
It's 11:30. Repeat after me. It's 11:30.
11:30.
30.
Sorry.
Half past 11.
Half past 11.
Very good. Okay. What time is it?
Так, 11:55.
Very good. Or we can say 5 to 12. 5 to 12, because there's 5 minutes to 12. 5 to 12.
5 to 12, yes.
What about that?
10 to 12.
10 to 12.
Yes. Around 12?
Yes, if this is exactly 12 o'clock, if I go a little bit this way, you can say it's around 12, it's a little after 12. And then if I put it, this would be 1 o'clock, but if I go just a little before, you say it's almost 1. It's almost 1
Wow.
o'clock. It's almost 1 o'clock. Okay? Good.
Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's 6 a.m. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 2 p.m. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's 8 p.m. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's 11 p.m. It's almost noon. It's midnight. Exercise 2. Look at the clock and answer the question. What time is it? 1. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. 2. What time is it? It's 1:25, or it's 25 past 1. You can also say 25 after 1. 3. What time is it? It's 11:50, or it's 10 to 12. You can also say 10 till 12. 4. What time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock. 5. What time is it? It's about 10:30, or it's about 10:30. 6. What time is it? It's 5:02. It's 5:02 p.m. 7. What time is it? It's 5:42, or it's about 5:45. You can also say it's about 5:45. 8. What time is it? It's around 11:15, or it's about 11:15. We can also say it's about quarter after 11.